Oh, really? Tell me more. What's so special about her?
Well, they say she is the most enchanting princess in the entire kingdom. Her beauty is said to be beyond comparison, with radiant eyes that sparkle like stars and flowing golden hair that cascade down her.
Wow, that sounds truly captivating. But beauty isn't the only thing that makes a princess special. What else do you know about her?
You're absolutely right, Ayesha. Beauty is just one aspect. They say the princess Ayesha has a heart pure a crystal and is known for her kindness and compassion. She is loved by her people and dedicated to making the kingdom a better place for everyone.
That's wonderful to hear. It's so inspiring when someone combines outer beauty with inner goodness. I hope I get a chance to meet her someday.
I feel the same way, Ayesha. It would be an honor to meet someone who embodies both beauty and kindness. I've heard that the princess is also intelligent and wise, with a quick wit and a thirst for knowledge.
It seems like she possesses all the qualities of a true leader. I can imagine her ruling the kingdom with grace and wisdom.
Absolutely. I believe she has the potential to bring about positive change and inspire those around her. The stories about her have captured the imagination of people far and wide.
I can understand why. The combination of beauty, kindness, and intelligence is truly rare. I hope her reign brings prosperity and happiness to the kingdom.
Let's keep our fingers crossed, Ayesha. No, maybe one day we'll witness the princess's greatness firsthand and be a part of her journey.
That would be a dream come true, Ollie. Until then, let's continue to cherish the tales of a beautiful princess and be inspired by her example.
Thanks Ayesha. Okay, goodbye.
Ollie, nice to meet you. Bye.